How to make sushi. First, cook 2 cups of rice in the rice cooker. Rice is ready. Let the rice cool down. Add rice vinegar. Ingredients include egg rolls, radish, crab stick, deep-fried tofu, seaweed, sushi bamboo roller, plastic wrap. Apply rice on the seaweed evenly. Put the ingredients in the middle. Radish, crab stick, egg rolls, deep-fried tofu, wrap it. Nice and tight. It should look like a long square stick. Second demonstration. This version has cucumber, avocado, salmon. Apply rice on the seaweed evenly. Require some patience. Cucumber sticks, radish stick, crab stick, avocado stick, deep-fried tofu, cooked salmon. Roll it nice and tight. Apply water at the end of seaweed. Will stick tight. Cut the roll into 1-inch thick. Eat the ends first, haha, because the ends are not good looking. How it look now? A nice display dish. You can see salmon, cucumber, avocado, radish, crab stick, deep-fried tofu. Very delicious, very healthy. Dinner or lunch. Lunch is prepared. It's a good lunch idea. Please subscribe. Enjoying the river trail in the spring.